ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്ക് ബിൽഡിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയലിലെ ടിമ്പർ ആണ്. ആവർത്തിച്ച് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ബിൽഡിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയലിലെ ഒരു പോർഷനാണ് ടിമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ടിമ്പർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ തിയറി പോർഷൻസും എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ അത് കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ അത് കാണുക. കുറെ കൂടി ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് കുറേയേറെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ടിമ്പർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് 2005 തൊട്ട് 2070 വരെ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: The timber having maximum resistance against white tan is obtained from dash. Options: chir, shisham, sal, teak. Answer: option D, teak. The timber having maximum resistance against white tans is obtained from answer teak. The piece of swan timber whose dimension do not exceed 5 cm either in breadth or in thickness is known as. Answer: option D, batten. The piece of a swan timber whose dimension do not exceed 5 cm either in breadth or in thickness is known as batten. Which is the code used for classification of timber for seasoning purposes? Options: IS 4970, IS 1141, IS 1708, IS 399. Answer: option B, IS 1141. Which is the code used for the classification of timber for seasoning purposes? Answer: IS 1141. Which of the following is the measure of ease with which wood may split? Options: cleavability, shear strength, stiffness. None of those. Answer: option A, cleavability. Which of the following is the measure of ease with which wood may split? Answer: cleavability. Generally, wooden mold are made of. Options: plywood, shisham wood, deodar wood, teak wood. Answer: option B, shisham wood. Generally, wooden mold are made of shisham wood. Preservatives are applied to the wood. Options: to improve its workability, to improve its strength, to enable its strength, to make it resistant against termites. Answer: option D, to make it resistant against termites. Preservatives are applied to the wood to make it resistant against termites. The defect due to the improper sawing of timber. Option: torn grain, diagonal grains, vein, chip mark. Answer: option B, diagonal grains. The defect due to improper sawing of timber. Answer: diagonal grains. The major drawback of air seasoning of wood is: options: longer duration, loss of strength, development of knots, distortion of grains. Answer option A, longer duration. The major drawback of air seasoning of wood is answer longer duration. The decay of timber caused by alternate wetting and drying is called options dry rot, wet rot, foxiness, none of those. Answer option B, wet rot. The decay of timber caused by alternate wetting and drying is called answer wet rot. The presence of whitish spot or streak in the timber is options knots, dry rot, druxinus, foxinus. Answer option C, druxinus. The presence of whitish spot or streak in the timber is called druxinus. Plywood is specified by size and options grain direction, strength in all direction, number of plies, volume. Answer option C, number of plies. Plywood is specified by size and number of plies. Veneering means options carving out the designs on the timber planks, chemically treating timber planks, thick layer of superior wood glued to the inferior wood, thin layer of superior wood glued to inferior wood. Answer option D, thin layer of superior wood glued to the inferior wood. So, veneering it means that a thin layer of superior wood glued to the inferior wood. In a well-seasoned timber, the moisture content will be in the range of options 5 to 7 percentage, 10 to 12 percentage, 5 to 20 percentage, 30 to 35 percentage. Answer option B, 10 to 12 percentage. In a well-seasoned timber, the moisture content will be in the range of 10 to 12 percentage. The timber which is partially or fully covered with resin is known as options Kumberg timber, Imberg timber, rough timber, standing timber. Answer option B, Imberg timber. The timber which is partially or fully covered with resin is known as answer Imberg timber. Plywood obtained from options bamboo, teak wood, structural timber, commonly available timber. Answer option D, teak wood. Plywood obtained from answer teak wood. Plywood is specified by its options weight, volume, width, thickness. Answer option B, thickness. Plywood is specified by its answer thickness. Due to the dry rot, the timber options cracks, shrinks, reduced to powder, none of those. Answer option C, reduced to powder. Due to dry rot, The timber reduced to powder. Hard boards are example of options: particle board, fiber board, plywood, chipboard. Answer option B, fiber board. Hard boards are example of fiber board. An assembled product made up of veneers and adhesives is called options: batten, plank, board, plywood. Answer option D, plywood. An assembled product made up of veneers and adhesives is called. Answer option D, plywood. Plywood is made by bonding together thin layers of wood in such a way that the angle between grains of any layer to the grains of adjacent layer is options 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Answer option D, 90 degree. The plywood is made by bonding together thin layers of wood in such a way that angle between grains of any layer to grains of adjacent layer is answer 90 degree. Which of the following is the main advantage of the plywood? Options: strength is more in longitudinal direction, strength is more in transverse direction, tensile strength is same in all directions. Shrinkage stress is minimum. Answer option C. Tensile strength is same in all directions. So the advantage of plywood is tensile strength is same in all directions. The life of teak wood door and window is usually taken to be options 80 years, 60 years, 40 year, 20 year. Answer option C, 40 year. The life of teak wood door and window is usually taken to be 40 year. Most economical method of sawing wood is options: ordinary sawing, quarter sawing, tangential sawing, radial sawing. Answer option A, ordinary sawing. Most economical method of sawing wood is answer ordinary sawing. Wood surface requires dash coats of plastering. Options 1, 2, 3, none of those. Answer option D, none of those. Wood surface requires dash coat of plastering. Answer none of those. In the air drying processes, the practical limit of moisture content is options 0.05, 0.15, 0.25, 0.35. Answer option B, 0.15. In the air drying process, the practical limit of moisture content is answer 0.15. Which of the seasoning method is adopted for the rapid seasoning of the timber on the large scale to obtain any desired moisture content? Options: kiln seasoning, boiling, air, none of those. Answer: option A, kiln seasoning. Which of the seasoning method is adopted for the rapid seasoning of timber on the large scale to obtain any desired moisture content? Answer is kiln seasoning. If applied load is dash, the strength of timber is maximum. Options: parallel to grains, 45 degree to grains, perpendicular to grains, none of those. Answer: option A, parallel to grains. If applied load is dash, the strength of timber is maximum. If answer is parallel to grains. Central part of a tree. Options: heartwood, sapwood, pith, cambium. Answer: option C. The central part of a tree is answer pith. The thin radial fibers extending from pith to cambium is options: sapwood, bark, heartwood, medullary rays. Answer: option D, medullary rays. Thin radial fibers extending from pith to cambium is answer option D, medullary rays. A thin layer between sapwood and inner bark is options: medullary rays, outer bark layer, layer of heartwood, cambium layer. Answer: option D, cambium layer. A thin layer between sapwood and inner bark is answer cambium layer. Which one of the following is not belongs to exogenous tree? Options: bamboo, pine, mahogany, deodar. Answer: bamboo. Which of the following is not belongs to exogenous tree? Answer is bamboo. Other pine, mahogany, deodar are example of exogenous tree. Bamboo is an endogenous tree. Which of the following is a hardwood? Options: deodar, cher, simul, babul. Answer: option D, babul. Babul is an example of hardwood. Seasoning of timber is done for removing. Options: knots from timber, roughness of timber, sap from timber, none of above. Answer: option C, sap from timber. Seasoning of timber is done for removing sap from timber. Blue stain in timber is due to options: fungi, insects, seasoning, all the above. Answer: option A, fungi. Blue stain in timber is due to fungi. Which of the following is not a natural defect of tree? Options: balls, knots, druxinus, honeycombing. Answer: option D, honeycombing. Honeycombing is a defect due to bad seasoning. So, burrs, knots, druxinus are to the natural defect of a tree? So answer is option D, honeycombing. Which one of those defects in timber is due to the natural forces? Options: knots, stain, split, bow. Answer: option A, knots. Which one of the defect in timber is due to natural force? Answer is knots. Which of the following is not the defect due to seasoning? Options: dry rot, case hardening, bow, cup. Answer: option A, dry rot. Case hardening, bow, cup are the defects due to seasoning. Dry rot is due to fungus. So, answer is option A, dry rot. Ringed galls are: options: the root of the small branches of tree, the split occurring in the center of the tree, swelling caused by the growth of layers over the wound, none of those. Answer: option C, swelling caused by the growth of layers over wound. So the ringed galls are swelling caused by the growth of layers over the wound. The defects in timber due to abnormal growth. Options: knots, ringed galls, shakes, none of those. Answer: option B, ringed galls. Defects in timber due to abnormal growth. Answer is ringed galls. The timber defect caused by the crushing of wood fibers resulting in the breakage or continuity of fibers is called. Options: ringed galls, knots, twisted fiber, upsets. Answer: option D, upsets. The timber defect caused by crushing of wood fibers resulting in the breakage of continuity of fibers, that's called upsets. The cracks which partially or completely separate the fibers of the wood is: options: shake, foxiness, knots, upsets. Answer: option A, shake. The cracks which partially or completely separate the fibers of the wood is: answer option A, shake. The defect in timber that causes the longitudinal separation of wood between the annular ring is known as: options: shake, foxiness, knots, upsets. Answer: option A, shake. Defect in timber that causes the longitudinal separation of wood between the annular rings is known as: answer shake. Age of good trees for felling varies from: options: 20 to 35 years, 35 to 50 years, 50 to 100 years, 100 to 150 years. Answer: option C, 50 to 100 years. Age of good trees for felling is varies from 50 to 100 years. thin sheet of wood of superior quality are called? Options: ledges, veneers, battens, logs. Answer: option B, veneers. Thin sheet of wood of superior quality are called? Answer: veneers. The timber whose thickness is less than 5 cm and width is exceeds 12 cm is called? Options: board, plank, batten, log. Answer: option A, board. The timber whose thickness is less than 5 cm and width exceeds 12 cm is called? Answer: board. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് ടിംബർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. ടിംബർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ തിയറി പോർഷൻസും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി വീഡിയോ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കൂടുതൽ കൂടി അതിനകത്ത് എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ വീഡിയോ അത് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അത് കാണുക, പ്രയോജനകരമായിരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ ഇനിയും പുതിയൊരു സബ്ജക്റ്റുമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പുതിയൊരു മോക്ക് കാണാം. സോ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനകരമായി എങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.